Nice! Oh, man.
Oh, it's your man. You got 24.
Talk.
Hey! Oh, speaker. The ball. Hey.
Keep playing. Hey, help guy come soon.
What's the name of that guy? Raymond? Alex?
Hey, pick up. Sit. Push.
What is, Conceso? All right. The score is 5-2 in favor of the World Pack holders. To Halog, 2 points by Mr. Halog.
Pick up.
Score is 7-2. Here comes Escalante. Ginit na. Gives to Melo.
Let go.
Out of bounds. Turnover by the team STS. All right. Sladen. Pass to Mark the Flash Andaya. To De La Cruz for 3. Good.
Go. Pick up. Where we going?
That's your second 3-point, Mr. De La Cruz. Nasa Mabanta, pass to the 7. Anthony De Guzman. Now Slayton. Slayton all the way and 1. Who's foul rep? 23. Sino yun? Mabanta. First foul, Mr. Mabanta. 2 points by Mr. Slayton. Body shot.
Hey. Easy. Back.
No good. Here comes Escalante. Nice fake. 2 points by Mr. Escalante. Score is 12-4. Oh, here comes Andaya on the crossover. Oh, it's lose the ball. To Manansala. Good fake there by Mr. Manansala. The sniper. The score is 6-12. 6-point lead by the team. World Pack 3-point shot by Andaya. No good. Rebound there by Mr. Guzman. Escalante to Mabanta. Pass to De Guzman. Good defense by Conceso. Oh, good steal. Steal again. Steal. Now here comes a flash. Oh, good 2 points there by Mr. Andaya. Score is 14-6. Escalante. Lose the ball again. Here comes De La Cruz, pass to Andaya, to Slayton. Good ball distribution.
Let's go.
2 points there. The score is 16-6, 10-point lead by the World Pack. Here comes Manala, no good. Rebound by De Guzman. Almost steal there by Mr. Halog. Good defense. Escalante. Pass to Mabanta. Mabanta, signal ng play. Okay, give it to... Oh, nice pirouette move by Mr. De Guzman. Mr. Anthony the Hawk De Guzman.
Ay, nagkago. Ang Kobe na.
Good defense there. Here comes Escalante. Escalante, pass to Mabanta. Nice left-handed layup there by Mr. Mabanta. 2 points. The score is 16-10.
I-improve.
Yeah, here comes Alok crossover. Crossover, give back to Mr. Antaya. Wow, Alok. Naipit. Pass to Manansala. To Escalante. Drive. Foul. Who's foul? Mr. 15. Kirby Halok substitution after first free throw. After first free throw.
Over there.
First team foul. Both teams. Yeah, 2 free throws after first free throw. Escalante. First good substitution. Alright. Pasok na. Oh, meron pang towel. Aquipel. Okay, let's see the next free throw by Mr. John Escalante. It's good too. The score is 16-12. Now it comes Mark, the flash, pass to Acupel. Jump shot, 2 points. Mr. Acupel, kapapasok lang. Naka 2 points na po yun agad. Mabanta. Pass to De Guzman. Oh, foul. Who's foul? That's a power move by Mr. The Hawk. Who's foul? Number 16. Okay, number 16. But wala ka dito sa listahan. Number 16, first foul. The second team foul by the team World Pack holders. 2 free throws by Mr. Anthony De Guzman. The first one is good. Okay, let's see the other one. Second one is good. 3, 4, 6. The score is 14-16. Oh, foul! And one or not? No. Who's foul? Number 2, 24, Escalante. That's the second team foul. Oh, steal. Ipinasa po sa kalaban. Ito, si Mr. Acupel, pass to Mark Andaya. Shoulder fake. Nice pass to Acupel. No good. Good pass to number 16. Pass to number 10. Acupel for 2. No good. Rebound by Mr. Mabanta. Okay. Slow down, he says. Now Escalante. Oh, rebound by Anthony De Guzman. The score is all 16. Score is all 16. Here comes Mark Andaya for 3. Step back. Good.
Let's go, pick up, hustle up, let's go.
17, 18. Pinatay ang sunog. Nice pass to De Guzman. 2 points. The score is 18-19. Andaya to Acupel. No good. Rebound by number 16. To Andaya. Nice pass to number 10. Steal. Oh, now, pinasa po. Pinasa ni Mr. Rabuy sa kalaban. Here comes Andaya for 3! The flash. Back-to-back 3. Mabanta. Oops, foul. Who is foul rep? Number 1, Acupel. 13 foul. Team World Tag Haulers. 28 seconds. First one is good.
Hey, 5 seconds.
4, 3, 3 by Mr. Andaya.
Everyone defense.
Here comes De Guzman. 2 points by Mr. De Guzman. Comes Andaya. Pass to tumama sa paa. Out of bounds. Oh, good steal there by Mr. Slayton. Slayton. Pass to Andaya for 3. Another one from Mr. Andaya.
Let's go.
The score is 30-22.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Nice fake by Mr. De Guzman. The score is 30-24. Short by Mr. Andaya. Here comes Mapanta. Oh, bad pass. All right, another turnover by the team STS. Rebound by De Guzman. Banta, pass to Escalante. Nice pass! Nabitawan lang po. Okay, still there by Mrs. Slayton. Slayton foul. Escalante. First team foul. That's your second foul, Mr. John Escalante. Andaya.
Stop. No. Stay ball.
Phil. Gandang crossover po nun. Nice layup there by Mr. Glenn. Time out. Time out. Dapat meron tayong walang laman yung akin. Alright, back to the ball game. Score. Here comes Kirby. Halo to De La Cruz. Pass to Conceso for 3. No rebound by Escalante. Escalante. 3-point shot by Mr. Escalante. No good. Okay.
Hey, man.
It's green ball. Green ball. Okay, De La Cruz to Mr. Kirby. Halo. Oops, Kirby. Nawala po yung bola. It comes sa... No, here comes the living legend, Pinasa kay Manansala. Okay, slow down. Goes over. Pass to De Guzman. Migot. Oh! It's a good defense. Here comes Slayton. Offensive foul. Slayton, that's your first foul. Copy mo ba yun? Sino ba yun?
Hey, that's 3. Hey, you gotta hustle out. Number 7.
De Guzman.
Let's go.
2 points there by the Hawk. Good morning to Mr. Puno of Team Shocker. Here comes Slayton for no good. What? What's the goal? Foul, Mr. Melo, the living legend. Oh, Luis Bomba. The second team foul. Rabuy. That's your first foul, Mr. Rabuy. Okay, here comes Corby. Shot by Corby, no good. Rebound by Escalante. Pass break to Mr. Manansala. Block! Oh! Hindi namin nakita. Parang tingin ko block. But it's a foul by Mr. Alvin de la Cruz. Okay, it's 2 free throws there by Mr. Glenn, the sniper. First one is no good. All right, the second one is good. 1 point lead by Team WorldPack. All right, here comes Curbs. Curbs, bad pass. Steal by Mr. De Guzman. Nagpapadali. Oh! Nice pass to Mabanta. No good. Rebound by Slayton. Pass to De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Slayton. To Conceso. 2 points by Mr. Conceso. The score is 32-29. Here comes Melo. Up, make. Pass to Mabanta. Mikot. It's a foul by Mr. Conceso. Conceso, that's your first foul, second team foul. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby, let's go. Mabanta, samayan niya sama. Good pass, good interception by Pablo. Ang lupit nitong Pablo to. Acupel, oh, good defense. Good defense by Mr. June Mabanta. Okay, Mr. Mendoza, pass to Pablo. Pablo, nag-crossover. Tumamasa pa. Here. Oh, still. Oh, still there, my Mr. Glenn Manansala. Yeah, out of bounds. Turnover by Team STS. Now here comes the number 16. Pass to Mendoza. Jump. No. Rebound by Mr. Melo Rabuy. Pass to Glenn. Crossover. Oops. Natap po yung pasa niya. Nice, good defense by Mr. Mendoza. Acupel jump shot. No good. Same ball. Substitution.
Go ahead.
Pinulak po ng katabi ko yung lamesa. The moving table. Okay, pass to number 10. To Andaya for 3. Double rebound by Anthony De Guzman. Marami na pong natataklot ang dahok. Nice pass to Mabanta. No good. It's a very good entry pass there. Oh, stop it. Pump by Mr. Acupel.
And then walk it, pick him up full court.
All right, number 24.
Hey, 3 seconds.
Good 2 points there by Mr. Escalante. 3-point lead. Here comes Acupel to arrive. Whoa, short. Rebound by Rabuy. Mabanta. Oh, steal by number 10. Tabanera to Pablo. 2 points by Mr. Pablo.
Hey, who's on ball? Who's on ball?
Escalante, guarded by number 16.
Hey, 3.
Foul. On the floor. Number 16. Okay, foul. That's your second foul, number 16. Third team foul.
Hey, hustle.
56 seconds. Here comes Glenn Manansala, the sniper. Nag-iisip. Ang ganda ng pasa sa loob. Si Escalante. Melo! Rebound! Another shot by Mr. Melo. A power move. A power move. By Mr. Living Legend, Tapuy. 3. No good rebound by Mark Antaya. 3 points, no good. Rebound by Didusman. Okay, 19 seconds. Nice pass to Glenn Manansala. 2 points. The score is 35-36. Ang ganda ng laban. Akripel, jump shot. 2 by Mr. Akripel. 3 seconds. 2, 1. All right, who's ball? Okay. Ready? Slayton. Pass to Mark. The flash ng Daya to Kirby. Nawawala yung bola. Kirby Halo ginit na. Kirby. Crossover. Pass to De La Cruz for 3. Ang lakas. Rebound there by Mr.
Go, 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 go!
Halog. 2 points by Mr. Halog.
Hey, chop, 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 chop. Hey, you got me. Chop, chop, chop. Hey, walking, chop. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay. Good recognition here by Mr. Coach Slayton. Here comes Mark. Oh, he loses the ball. The Mr. De La Cruz loses the ball. Turnover by the team World Pack holders. The score is 40-35. Wala pa po sila. Manansala, the sniper! For 3. Slayton! Is that 3 points? 2 points? 2? Alright, 2 points by Mr. Slayton. Where are you? Here comes Halog. Oh, ang galing po. Pinaikot sa likod. Nice pass. Oh, but foul by Mr. Mabanta. That's the first team foul. And first foul by Mr. June Mabanta.
Let's go. Wala.
Kirby. Ano kaya iniisip? To Antaya for 3! No good rebound by Anthony Di Guzman. Foul? There's a foul? Number 2. Is that you, Mr. Slayton? Yes, Mr. Slayton, that's just...
Move back. This camera move back.
Okay. Mr. Slayton, that's your second foul. First team foul in the third quarter. There's been a press. A steal by De La Cruz. Left-handed layup by Mr. De La Cruz. Oh, good crossover. 2 points by Mr. De Guzman. Score is 40-44.
Let's go!
Crossover! Ang galing po nitong batang to, Mr. Kirby. Here comes De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Escalante.
Chop.
Okay.
Pasa.
I'll give it to Mr. Jun Mabanta. Pass to Raboy. To Mr. Manansala. For 3, Mr. Manansala. Short lang po. Umalog. Here comes Marcantaya. Umigot. Pass to Kirby Halog. For 3. Lakas. Ang lakas. Ang tira. Oh, tuwid. Lampas lang.
Number 2. Yeah, 12. Stop, bro.
Okay, dead ball. Here comes Mabanta. Nice! Nice job, Mr. De Guzman.
Chill.
Nice, Andaya. 2 points! Pinasabit, pinapitin.
Go, man.
Alright, good game, Charlie.
Out of bounds. 35. Yeah, that's good. 38. Yeah. Melo! Naiwan mo yung bola sa sobrang bilis. Arvin for 3, no good. Pink ball. Good morning, Mr. Pistolero. Gino Mejia. Substitution, dead ball. Pass to this guy, Mr. The Sniper. Okay, foul. Aquibel. That's your second foul. Second team foul. Sab. Naglabasan po. The score is 46-42. What is that, Red? Stepping. Red, tinikling po dun sa labas. Mr. Sniper. Okay, here comes the flash. Nice pass. Aquibel to Mr. Andaya for 3. Boom. 3 points by Mr. Andaya. 49-42. 2 points by Mr. Escalante.
Kaya naman pala eh.
Hey, look at Mark.
Tabanera! No good. Rebound by Escalante.
Yo, 21, go.
Sinanali up, Mr. Malansala. Sub, rep, sub. Pasok na. Sub, pasok. Okay, substitution. Kirby Halog out. Number 16 in. And Mr. Tabanera out. Pablo in. Steal by Jung Mabanta. Pinasa po. Uy, another steal. Ayos, sayang. Ang ganda ng steal. Here comes Escalante. No, okay. Good pass. Ang ganda mo. Nalilito na ako. Jump shot by Mabanta. Rebound. Ping pong.
Stay.
Okay, offensive foul by Mr. De Guzman. Okay. Here comes Pablo. Nagchacha po si Pablo. Traveling. Here comes the sniper. 3-point shot. Tumbok. Andaya, nice pass to Aquibel. Ganda ng move ng batang yun. Ang ganda ng move. Mabanta. Pinipress po sila. Okay, break yung press. Eto na, the living legend for 3. Rebound by Anthony De Guzman. 2 points.
3-point.
3 by Andaya, no good. Rebound by Mr. Mabanta. Nice pass to Escalante, layup. 2 points, Mr. Escalante. The score is 51-50 in favor of the World Bank Haulers. Here comes Sandaya. Good interception. Glenn Manansala tumigil. Naghintay ng kakampi. Oh, behind the back pass. Mabanda. 2 points by Mr. Mabanda. The score is 52-51. Lamang na po ang pink team. Apripel pass to Mendoza to Andaya for 3. Wala, lampas. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza, now good by Apripel. Inisi lang po, 34. Steal! Naistilan! Naistilan po! Naistilan! Si Sniper! Eto na, si Andaya. Andaya, nagmamadali. Nice! Diniyad. Ang ganda ng pagkaaliyad.
Rebound.
Is that the 3 points? That's 3 points? 3 points. 51, 54. Time out.
6 seconds.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. It's a 2-point lead by the team Wolfpack Hollers. Slurs. 2-point shot by Mr. Manansala, no good. Rebound by Conceso.
Hey, boss. Boss.
Pass to Kirby, Halo for 2. It's a 4-point lead. Glenn, that's over. That's to Jun Mabanta. Jab shot. Rebound by Halo. Ogie steal. Alright, good hustle there by number 2, is Layton. Manansala. Jab shot by Mr. Jun Mabanta. Rebound by number 12, Conceso. Steal by Melo. Wow. Escalante for 3. Rebound by De Guzman. Same ball. Out of bounds. Jun Babanta. 2 points by Babanta.
Nakuha niya jump shot na.
Alright, that ball. The score is 56-54. Tama. The main sugat po.
Ball.
Alright, let's go. Still a 2-point lead. Tapa niya, number 3. Tumbok po. Good steal by Acupel. Hindi ko ba makita? Alright. Okay, Slayton. Yeah, that ball. Okay, 2 points by Acupel.
Why are you doing the game?
Okay, warning De La Cruz. Sap. Sap Tapanera, number 35 in, the flash. Okay, Jun Banta. Nagbabanta po. Tumuturo, eto na. Nice pass to number 7. Okay. Good hustle. Hustle po, hustle. Ang ganda.
Get back.
Archipel to Slayton. Offensive rebound.
Tulong.
Rebound. Pinasa sa labas. Nagkakagulo na po. 20. 35. 35. Up. Okay. 6-point lead by the World Pack Colors. Halo for 3. Tagilid po. Melo, pass to John Escalante. So it's over. Okay, pass to Jun Mabanta for 3. Wala po. Ito, nagmamadali. Nagmamadali yung step back. No good. Rebound there by Melo. Okay, foul. Mr. Anthony De Guzman, that's your second foul. And a first team foul. 2 free throws by Mr. Arvin Arts De La Cruz. First shot's good. Substitution. Okay, Sladen out. Coming in is Mendoza, number 20. Last shot by Mr. Arvin De La Cruz. Good again.
Go, pick up!
Okay, here we go. Melo, jump shot. Boom, 2 points by Mr. Rabuy.
Fifty-six, 62.
It's a 3 points by Andaya.
Hey, ball! Man, that should be a steal.
Escalante for 3. Oops. Ang bilis ni Melo. Naka-rebound. Jump shot. Oh, pasa. Foul by Halog. Second foul, Halog. First shot by Mr. Anthony De Guzman is good. Second shot
Rebound.
is good. It's a 7-point lead. Andaya to Arvin. Arvin Arbs. Oh, ikot-ikot si Mr. Acubel. Lampas. Rebound by Mabanta.
There you go.
Steal. Andaya for 3. Rebound. Here comes Amanda.
Oh, that's
Foul. Mr. Arbs De La Cruz, that's your second foul. Second team foul by the team for Pack. It's still 7-point lead. First shot is good by Mr. Mabanta. Substitution. Sub. Okay. De La Cruz. Out. Coming in is Mr. Pablo. Second shot of Mr. Mabanta is good. 5-point lead by the team. World Pack. Up. What is that? Who's foul rep? Foul. Pakitaas ng kamay, Mr. Living Legend. There you go. Good. Alright. Good morning, Mr. Joselito Agosto. 2 points by Mr. Kirby Halog. Technical? Technical foul. May morning po kanina. Technical foul number 15, second delay in the game. Okay, you got award by 2 free throws. Oh, dito, Mr. Roselito. Score ka. Okay, shoot tayo yung first one. Shoot. Wala? Okay, second shot is good. 1 point only. Dito, 61. Dito, STS. Mabanta got the second free throw.
So, done.
Okay, 2 minutes and 55.
Hey, watch it. Back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, good. Still. Almost.
Bounce pass, down.
Number 23.
BBF. Ano walang tao sa video? Na-board lang ako.
Mellow. Nice pass po kay Escalante. Wala. Wow. Ang ganda. Here comes Hanok. Nice layup. Yeah. Oh, nawala.
Still.
Nawala ang dulas. Nadulas po yung bola. Here comes Andaya. And steal na naman nila. Nag-crossover. Binitbit na sa kamay. Good rebound by Mabanta. Eto na. Isa 3-point shot by Nansala. No, good. Bagsak. Naagaw po sa likod. Foul. Time out. The score is 69-61. 8-point lead by the Team World Pack Haulers. Humingi po ng tawag. 3 seconds violation po. Nangitlog po sa loob. Alright. Turnover. Di Guzman. A steal. Here comes Andaya. Hollow. Here comes Kirby. Hollow. 1 minute and 31. Ang ganda ng moves. Slater for 2. No good. Rebound by Mabanta. Foul, Mr. Slater. This is the third team foul. Third foul, Mr. Slater.
Defense.
All right, 1 minute. Sino? It's Pablo. 3-point shot by Mr. Manansala. Si Pablo. Lester. Here comes the... Oh, crossover po. Oh, galing. Ang galing nito si The Flash. Here comes Acupel. Pass to Halog. To the right. No good. Rebound by Mr. Mabanta. To Manansala. Oh, good defense. 46 seconds to go. Acupel no good. Rebound by Guzman. Steal by Halog. Pinasa sa kalaban. It's 27 seconds. Here comes Andaya. Binitbit. No good. Rebound by Pablo. Foul by Mr. Raboy. That's your third foul. 14 fouls. 2 shots by Mr. Lester Pablo. Nina. Ito. After. No good by Mr. Lester. Nagmadali. Second shot. Nakashoot po si Mr. Pablo. Alright, here comes the 3-point shot by Glenn. No good. Straight on rebound. Andaya nagmamadali. 13 seconds. 12, 10. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Halog. Naghintay-hintay. Mukhang panalo na po sila. Congratulations. You got your